Good morning, children. Welcome to English grammar class. Today we learn about conjunctions. Conjunctions is a word that joins or combines two words, phrases, or clauses together. A conjunction joins two parts of sentences. Some conjunctions are and, but, or, nor, for, yet, so, although, when, because, since, unless. Let's see how to use the conjunctions. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. This Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. Here we join two sentences with and. I would like to go to the fair added information. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. Example, what would you prefer, an ice cream or a chocolate? We use but to show a difference or opposite idea. Rohan plays well, but he is an impatient player. Here, well is a good quality, but impatient is bad quality of his nature. We use because to give a reason for something. I am not going to school because I am sick. We use if to give a condition. The boy will get candy and the condition is that he has to do his homework. If you do your homework, I will give you a candy. We use conjunction so where an action connects with its reason. I want to be a cricketer, so I play cricket. In first sentence, there is a reason why he plays cricket. As is a conjunction, it connects an action with its reason. I have to study hard as final exams are approaching. Although and though both mean in spite of something. I couldn't finish the book though I studied hard. It was unexpected result. When is used to show two events happening at the same time. Example, they play football when it rains. Until is used to show a point of time. They study until their parents return from office. Some conjunctions are used in pairs as either or, are used to show one thing or person, while either has a positive connotation, neither holds a negative significance. You will always find them paired up this way, either or and neither nor. They are used together to offer a choice between two things. It emphasizes on. You can either call me at home or at office. Either mom or dad will come to pick you. Neither nor. When they are paired up, their negative, both part of a statement. I will neither call you nor send you a message. Neither John nor his brothers like doing dishes. Both and. Both is used to talk about two persons or things. Both Ram and Shyam were making noise. To add emphasize we can use not only but also. Not only at the beginning of a clause, it is used to a present two related pieces of information. The car not only is economical but also feels good to drive. Thank you, children.